Want to create a backup of your website in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the H-Panel dashboard. On the next page, click on Files from the menu panel and select Backups. This will take you to the Backup page, where you'll find different types of backups, including website backups, file backups, and database backups. To generate a new backup, click on the Generate New Backup button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click on Proceed to continue. Keep in mind that you can generate only one new backup every 24 hours. Once the process starts, it will take a few seconds to complete. When the backup is ready, it will appear in the backup list. That's how you can create a website backup in Hostinger. Want to get a discount on Hostinger? Use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive offer. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.